These are the perfect affordable path lights for your garden. Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the Solar Centre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Lakeside Solar mini post lights. Let's get into it. Our Lakeside Solar mini post lights are cable free and run completely on their own. These lights offer a blend of classic charm and modern practicality. They have an elegant black finish and a warm white vintage bulb effect, emitting 50 lumens. They measure at 48.1 centimeters tall and 6.9 centimeters wide. Let's open up the box and have a look. So inside the box we have the instructions, the posts, the stakes and the 2 light heads. The Lakeside lights do come as a 2-pack, so make sure you've got 2 light heads, 4 poles and 2 stakes. To set up these lights, you'll need to pop off the top of the light head and flip the power button switch to the on position. Next, you'll need to grab 2 poles and slide them together. Then take the stake and slide that into the bottom of the pole. The last step is to slide the pole into the light head and you're all good to go. If you want your light to be shorter, simply remove one of the poles and attach the light head to the first pole. These lights come with a plastic film which is designed to protect the solar panel in transit. Make sure you remove this film before placing your lights into soft ground. You can cover the solar panel to trick the light into thinking it's night time and the light will turn on. Since these are solar lights, they'll turn on automatically after dusk and run for 6 hours on a full charge. These lights stand alone or as the set of 2. They're made with a toughened plastic, making them durable and able to survive the harsher British winters. They're perfect for lining flower beds, walkways or patios with timeless charm. If you have any questions on this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.